1, 2, 3, come on!
How are you going to read this one? How about this one? How about this one? Are you sure? Let's find out in this video. Hi, I'm Teacher Giovanni and welcome to my TV Lessons channel. In my previous video, I discussed to you on how to identify place value and value of a digit of a decimal numbers through 10,000s. And today, I will be going to discuss on how to read and write decimal number properly, or changing decimal from a standard form to a word form or vice versa. I know that you are so excited to learn today, so let's start our lesson. Our topic for today is about reading and writing decimal numbers. Actually, this is a continuation of the topic that I have discussed to you in my previous video about decimal number. I just discussed in my first video about identifying value and place value of a digit of a decimal number through 10,000s. But this time, let us learn to read and write decimal numbers up to 10,000s place value. Let's have number 1. How will you read this number? Would it be 0.3055? Is it a proper way? The answer is no. To make you understand how to read and write decimal number, we are going to put this number into a place value chart, like this. Read the decimal numbers the same way in reading the whole number. You need to affix the place value of the last digit. So this can be read as 3055 the same way in reading whole numbers, but you need to affix the place value of the last digit. What is the last digit here? That is 5. And what is the place value? The place value is 10,000s. So this will become 3,055 10,000s and can be written as this way. In the second example, we have whole number and a decimal number. Of course, you are going to read first the whole number, like 28. But remember, we have a decimal point. How are you going to read a decimal point? This can be read as and. So that is 28 and. And also, you are going to read the decimal number the same way in reading the whole number. As you can see, there is 0 under the tens place value. But never mind it. Only read the numbers after 0, which is 679. This will be 28 and 679. But remember, you have to affix the place value of the last digit. What is the last digit here? That is 9. So this will become 28 and 679 10,000s. How will you read this one? We have 7 in the whole number, that is 7, and read the decimal number as a whole number, that is 42. So 7 and 42 hundredths, because the last digit 2 here unders the place value, which is hundredths. Another one. We have this 0.001. How are you going to read this one? If we are going to put this one into a place value chart, this will be like this. And digit 1 is under thousands place value. And this can be read as 1,000ths. So let's try out. I want you to read and write the following decimal numbers. Try not to use the place value chart upon reading the decimal number. Number 1. How are you going to read this one?
5,817
Okay, that is 5,817 10,000s. And this can be written in this way. Another one. Number 2. How will you read this one?
4 and 81 hundredths.
Okay, that is 4 and 81 hundredths. And this can be written this way. Another one. Number 3.
56 and 43 thousandths.
Okay, this can be read as 56 and 43 thousandths. And this can be written this way. Another one, number 4. How will you read this?
92 ten thousandths.
Okay, that is 92 ten thousandths. And this can be written this way. Lastly, number 5. How are you going to read this one?
2 and 4 tenths.
Okay, that is 2 and 4 tenths. And this can be written this way. Okay, so we are now done with our lesson about reading and writing decimal numbers. I hope that you will never forget what you have learned, because every time you encounter decimal numbers, you will never afraid to read and write decimal numbers. And once again, I'm Teacher Giovanni saying, math is mines. Math is not a difficult subject if you're willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.